Have you ever said, I am seeing TV or look the TV? If yes, don't worry. Many English learners often confuse between look, see, and watch. They all involve using your eyes, but they are not used in the same way. Today, I will explain the difference between look, see, watch with simple explanations and examples so you start using them correctly in English. Let's start with the verb see. See means to notice something with your eyes naturally, without trying. It usually happens automatically. You are not making an effort. Your eyes simply notice something. For example, I see a bird on the tree. I saw his friend at the supermarket. Can you see the mountain? I see a car coming. In all these examples, the person is not looking for something. The person simply notices something. One key idea about the verb see is that you notice something with your eyes naturally. Imagine you are walking down a street and you suddenly notice your friend. You will say, I saw John today. You did not search for John, you simply noticed him along the street. Now, let's talk about look. Look means to direct your eyes intentionally towards something. This means making an effort to see something. We usually say, look at something. For example, look at the sky, look at the picture, look at the beautiful house. Make sure you take note of the word at because many learners often forget it. It is wrong to say, look the bird, but it is correct to say, look at the bird. One key idea about the word look is that you move your eyes towards something intentionally. Imagine your friend shows you a new phone. They might say, look at my new phone. This is because they want you to direct your eyes towards the phone. Let's move to the verb watch. Watch means to look at something for a period of time, usually because it is moving or changing. For example, I watch TV every evening. Yesterday, we watched a football match. I like watching the children play. In these examples, the person is paying attention for some time. One key idea about watch is that you look at something carefully for some time, usually something changing or moving. We often use watch with TV, games, movies, people doing something. Let's compare the three verbs. With see, you notice something naturally. For example, I see a dog. You did not search for it, you noticed it naturally. With look, you direct your eyes towards something. For example, look at the dog. You want someone to focus their eyes on it. With watch, you look at something for some time, usually something moving or changing. For example, I always watch the dogs while they play in the park. This means you observe them for a while. Let's have a very short story using these three verbs. Yesterday, I went to the park. First, I saw the lake. Next, I looked at the ducks near the water. After that, I watched the children playing football. Now, let's have a quick practice. Choose the correct word, either look, see, or watch. Can you the mountain from here dash at the photo? We dash a movie last night. If you know the answer, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. Here is a simple trick to remember. See happens naturally, With look, you move your eyes, and with watch, you look at something for some time. Next time you speak English, remember, you see something, you look at something, and you watch something happening. If you found this lesson helpful, please do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with someone learning English. See you in the next lesson.